Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 150. The noun phrase today is blue blood. Okay, let's take a look at the note. If someone says that a particular person is blue blood, it means he comes from a family of high social rank. So, could be royalty, could be nobility, or really, really high social class, especially families where they've been high class for many, many generations. Is more likely to be referred to as blue blood. Yeah, I often used to wonder, why do they say blue blood? Well, hopefully this video will answer your question. Okay, let's continue here. The origin of this noun phrase is a direct translation of the Spanish phrase sangre azul. Okay, yeah, in Spanish, sangre is the word for blood, and azul is the word for blue. Okay. For a number of centuries, southern Spain was occupied by the Moors, which were Arabs, and they were eventually driven out during the Middle Ages, so they were forced out. Many of the upper class of Spain, especially families in Castile, I think in Spanish, I think it's Castilla or Castile, avoided marrying with the Arabs that had conquered them. Okay. Therefore, they had lighter and paler skin. Thus, or therefore, it was easier to see the blue veins through the pale skin. This came to be a symbol of upper class and nobility in Spain, and the term blue blood was born. And it caught on, and it went beyond Spain through all of Europe, and even in the U.S. you might hear sometimes they might refer to somebody from really high class as blue blood. All right, so let's take a look. We got 3 examples here. Example number 1, many aristocrats are referred to as blue bloods. Okay, number 2, the media often referred to the Kennedys as blue blood, the Kennedy family, or anybody born, from their family, they referred to as blue bloods. All right, number 3 here. Here we're using an example of it as an adjective. We say blue-blooded. Many blue-blooded families are able to get their children into Ivy League schools. Yes, sometimes whether they deserve to be there or not, they somehow find a way to get them in there. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope's clear. Hope's informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.